How can I get an attached EML file from email message content using Python? I am using Python 3.7 and the email imaplib library to read email and extract the content of email and attachments. All the attachment, like Excel, CSV, PDF, is downloading as attachment, but when I received any .eml file in email, it shows me error. Please find the below code to read email content and attachment with error showing in case of EML file is received as attachment. It is showing error at the time of writing EML file. At the time of write part.get_payload, decode equals true is coming blank in EML file case. Error is
Use EML_parser, this URL.
Just to explain why this is happening, it hit me too, quoting the v3.5 library doc. v2 says the same. If the message is a multipart and the decode flag is true, then none is returned. If your attachment is in .eml, it's almost always going to be multipart, thus the none. Gene Thacker's workaround is appropriate if you're only expecting .eml multipart attachments. Not sure if there is any other use cases. It should have been accepted as an answer.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.